Hello guys, welcome to our channel My Project Ideas. In this video, we will see how to do web scraping in Python using ChatGPT. First of all, we will need a web page. We will use this particular web page. Copy this link. This web page contains a lot of articles that we'll be scraping. Okay, let's get back. We'll open chat.openai.com, create a new chat. Let's write web scraping, paste the link using Python. Okay, let's copy this code from Visual Studio Code. Let's paste it. Let's run this application. We get all the titles from the web page. Now let's get back to ChatGPT. We also want these titles or the results to be exported to a CSV. So let's write code to CSV. Okay, so let's copy this code. Let's replace this code. Remove this, paste this, save. We'll run this again and we see. So guys, we have a CSV file with all the titles in it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.